Hello everyone, myself Lohit Dalal, lecturer, Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, Jain Polytechnic, Belagavi. Today I am going to discuss unit number 1, combinational logic circuits. Okay, in this lecture I am going to discuss list of multiplexer ICs and its features. Okay, and also realization of higher order multiplexers using the lower order multiplexer ICs. Okay, so see here, list of different ICs will be there. 74157, that is a quad 2:1 multiplexer, output same as the input given. Whatever the input you provide, okay, output will get same. Okay, 74158, that is a 2:1 multiplexer, that is output is inverted in input. Okay, there is a bubble is present at the output side. So 74153, the output is same as the input, that is a dual 4:1 marks, and 74352, that is double dual 4:1 marks, output is inverted. Okay, means there is a bubble will be there is a NOT gate will be there at the output side. So 74151, that is a 8:1 marks, both outputs are available, and also that is a both means there is the same output, okay, same input, and also there is a complementary we also will get there. So 74151, that is a 8:1 marks, that is output is inverted. Okay, that is a means you can say as low enable. Okay, active, so those you can say as low enable means there is output is inverted, bubble is present at the output side. 74150, that is 16:1 marks, output is inverted. So there is a realization of the higher order multiplexers using the lower order multiplexers. Okay, so you can see the circuit diagram here. Okay, you can see the circuit diagram and the truth table. Okay, we are going to realize the higher order multiplexers, okay, using the lower order multiplexer ICs. It's okay by observing this diagram. Okay, so here what I am going to do, I am going to realize the 4:1 marks using the 2:1 marks. Okay, so see here I am going to see here it is the 8:1 marks using the 2 4:1 marks and using 2:1 multiplexer. So here figure shows the implementation of the 8:1 marks by using the what? There will be a 2 4:1 marks, 1 2:1 marks. Okay, there will be a selection lines will be there. Okay, selection lines are S1 and S0 are the selection lines. Okay, so their output you will get like that. Okay, when S2 equal to S2 equal to 0, okay, S1 equal to 0, S0 equal to 0, then I0 will be present. Okay, so any one of the input is 1, okay, that time means S2 equal to 0, S1 equal to 0, select line S0 equal to 1, that time I1 will get. Okay, so next S1 is equal to 1, remaining are 0 0, you will get I2. Okay, S2 equal to 0, S1 equal to 1, S0 equal to 1, you will get I3. Okay, so S2 equal to 1, S1 equal to 0, S0 equal to 0, that time you will get I4. So suppose S2 equal to 1, okay, S2 will be set as a 1, okay, multiplexer IC, 2:1 multiplexer IC, I am going to set it as a 1. Okay, that time what you will get there, S0 equal to 0, S1 equal to 0, that time I4 you are going to get. I4 means that is from the first multiplexer IC, that is 4:1 multiplexer IC, output you will get. So next 0 1 for S0, S1 equal to 0, S0 equal to 1, that time I5 will get. So next S1 equal to 1, S0 equal to 0, that time I6 will get. S1 equal to 1, S0 equal to 0 1, you will get I7. Okay, so that is the process, okay, of the realization of the higher order multiplexer IC, okay, multiplexer using the lower order multiplexers. Here I am going to I have designed the 8:1 marks using the 2 4:1 multiplexer IC and 1 2:1 multiplexer IC. Okay, so realization of the 16:1 multiplexer using the 2 8:1 multiplexers, okay, and 1 2:1 mux IC, okay, that is shown in the slide here. Okay, so you can observe that. Okay, so there will be a 8:1 multiplexer and also there 8:1 multiplexer, and there will be a 3 selection lines and 1 2:1 multiplexer is connected. Okay, in this session we have discussed multiplexer switches the information from several input lines to output lines. Okay, single output lines, and also we are naming it as multiplexers are also known as the data selectors. It is used to detect and select the data. Okay, and also useful for data routing. Higher order multiplexers can be implemented within the lower order multiplexer ICs. Okay, so thank you.